Okay, we're gonna go play hide and seek with Daddy. This is Bella. Bella, your daddy hid. Okay, go find Daddy. Go find him. Bella, where's Daddy? Bella. Bella, let's go find Daddy. Go find Daddy. Go find him. Where is he? You gotta say you found me.
Oh, you found me, Poopy.
You're not a good actor, honey.